So now when the front panel has been drafted, the next thing I want to show you guys now is how to draft the back. Now on the back drafting, we don't have a lot to do. It's just to extend the measurements appropriately, which we see right here. So here, you extend this line, come out all through in this form, and then you mark here 2 inches or 2.5, depending on how you want it to be. So here at the back as well, you mark here 2 inches in this form, mark here as well 2 inches in this form, and mark 2 inches all through at the inner leg. Go all through this way. So once you have achieved this, then you connect the line just like this, and then connect the crotch area as well from here. Go all through this way, and then with your pattern master as well, you make a perfect curve from here to this very point. So you see the essence of pattern master, and at the back panel, you will raise here by 2 inches all through this way. So mark here 2 inches just like this, and then you connect from here to this very point. So when you are able to do all of this by yourself, this will serve you as a foundation to anything drafting on male clothing. It looks simple, like I said, but it's still very much attention is needed. So we cut all of this, cut this just like this, cut here all through as well, just like this. You also cut here as well, just through all through this way. You also cut the back waistline in this form, and then you cut the sideline as well. So once you are cutting this, you make sure you cut out just as I have explained. So this extension on the pocket area is optional, but if completing this, there is still no problem. And here you mark front and back to differentiate the fabric front and back. So once you have marked this, now the next you do here is to cut your band. Now, in the case of the band cutting, the band measurement is just 4 inches width by the length of your waist circumference plus extra 5 to 7 inches, right? So you make sure you hold your fabric in this form. You can cut the band to be a one-line band, or you can cut the band to be a jointed band. So whichever one you want to cut, there's still no problem. So you bring the bottom master and then mark your baseline all through this way. Mark your baseline all through this way, and then you measure 4.5 inches like this, 4.5 inches like this, 4.5 inches as well in this form, 4.5 inches as well in this form, and then you connect the line from here straight down, connect the line from here straight down, and then you can now cut out your band. And now cut out the band. And the next you also cut will be your pocket facings, your zip fly, and your patch pockets if you are making a patch pocket. You can also do the compact pockets if you want to put the compact pockets on this particular shot. So here we are done with this. So now let us cut the loop as well. So the loop measurement is 1.5 inches width, 1.5 inches width, 1.5 inches width. You go ahead and connect 1.5. The length of the loop is always 24. There are 6 loops on the trouser, so 6 times 4 is 24. But mostly I cut the loop to be way longer than 24. So now I am trying to get the zip flag. So let me cut the fresh zip flag. Because of the fabric placement or fabric illustration, I was placing not enough. So let's cut the pocket facing first. So pocket facing here will be a total width of 4 inches width by the length of 10 to 11 inches. So this is for your pocket facing. The width here we have is 4 inches width by the length of 10 to 11. Now the next we are going to cut here will be for the zip fly. So let me cut it at once so you see it immediately. So here I will take the zip line from this angle. So from here I will cut out from here, cut through, cut from here as well, and make sure that we have zip fly that comes out in this form. So here, you cut from here and go all through these very points. So you have your zip line properly cut out, right? So these are the components we have got. And if you want to do patch pockets, compa pockets, you can go ahead and cut them and fix as well. But then we are not going to put compa pocket for now. Even though we are going to put it will be on the sewing stages. So the next video you will see now will be on how to gum this band, the whole component of the shot, and also the sewing process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now.